We're doing an inspection and demonstration video today for TM Trading with Ford New Holland 555D Backhoe. This is one exceptional piece. I've been driving it around today, and I mean, I'm telling you, it is as tight and as clean and as awesome as it looks. It is one incredible machine. Please take note when I'm operating this machine for you that about the bucket play and stuff like that, there is none. I mean, the machine's tight all over. And if you're in the market for a backhoe, it's a standard hoe. A lot of money to be made here. It's got great tire rubber all the way around. I can't find a thing on this thing that does not work. All your pivot joints. I mean, you can see those bushings right there. I'll get up real close to them. I mean, all of them are just tight. Hoses are in good shape. Rubber's excellent. All the way around. I'll take you up inside here. It's all joystick bucket control, joystick backhoe control. It's got 3,400 hours on it, and I'm telling you, it must be the most cared for machine. Look at the cutting edge on that bucket. That's the original bucket. I mean, there's almost no wear whatsoever. Please watch me. Watch all. There is no play. Just watch me. I'm going to start her up and demonstrate it for you. Just watch real close.